What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Danielle. This is the Millie Life. If you guys are new here, I post new motorcycle videos every Thursday and new exercise videos throughout the month. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you do not miss out. Today is going to be a little bit different from our normal motorcycle programming. I mentioned in my video last week, what's going on, question mark, exclamation point. Matt and I had a huge announcement for you guys. We can't wait to share that with you guys today. As always, all of my recording gear, my Millie Life apparel, my riding gear is linked below. Check that out. Oh, quick update on the bike. I have an appointment to take it into Harley Davidson middle of April. So we'll see what's going on and keep you guys updated. All right, let's jump right in. All right, so we've got Matt here.
What's up, guys?
This is my husband, and for those of you who don't know. And we've got some big news.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we've decided to launch stickmancoffee. We've come up with our own private label coffee and outsourced some roasters, and now it's time to start chasing another passion of ours, which we love coffee.
Yeah, we're actually sitting in our coffee nook. We are going to be doing a taste test today of the best sellers from the two roasters that we get our coffee from. If you head over to the About section on our website, which I will link below, you can read about the origins of the name. Come along with us today. We're going to do a taste testing and tell you a little bit about each of the 4 best sellers.
Here we go.
Today we're going to be taste testing our best sellers sample pack. We're going to be basing our taste testing on 5 different categories: acidity, sweetness, flavor, body, and the aftertaste. And don't worry, this is not going to be the major content of the Millie Life. We have started a YouTube channel. You can head over to stickmancoffee with an underscore at the end. I'll also link that below. This video will be posted there, and future sampling and all sorts of content will be posted there. So make sure to head over there, subscribe, check it out. But don't worry, the Millie Life will be back next week with more motorcycle content. All right, we're about to get down to it, but coffee tasting feels like a little bit fancy, doesn't it?
It does. I feel like we need to be fancier.
Let's go.
Let's go.
We're back, we're fancy, and we're ready to taste some coffee.
Let's do it.
Woo! Our
first coffee today is going to be our single origin Mexico. This is one of me and Danielle's favorites that we smell so far. It seems to have amazing smell to it. It's going to be a medium roast. It's going to have a tasting profile of chocolate, cinnamon, and green apple.
So Matt did a lot of research on how to taste test coffee, and we've put 2 tablespoons of ground coffee beans in here. By the way, our coffee comes in whole beans as well. And then put a cup of water in, let it steep for 15 minutes, and then you try it with a spoon.
Slurping is okay in coffee tasting. You want it to evenly spread over the tongue.
That was a good slurp.
That's pretty good. It's definitely got some acidity to it.
Yeah.
Right? Like, it's got some acidity to it.
Mm-hmm.
It's not overpowering.
No, I wouldn't say overpowering.
Right.
Definitely more medium roast.
I was going to say that as well.
Yeah.
It's not super dark. And then the best thing to cleanse your palate in between sips, right? Since we're going to be trying 3 or 4 different types of coffee, is just water, basic tap water, or seltzer water. And that's going to clear the palate.
All right, so what did you think of that one?
I like it.
I don't think it has a ton of sweetness to it.
Agreed.
It doesn't have like a super bitter aftertaste. It's fuller body, I would say.
It is. For a medium roast, it seems like that. Yep.
Yeah, I like it.
Yep, definitely good. So out of 10, what would you give it? 10 being the best cup of coffee you've tasted, 1 being probably the most trashy.
I'm gonna give this a 7.
Okay,
What
I'm
about
gonna
you?
stick with an 8. I thought it was pretty
8?
good. Yeah,
Okay.
I thought it was really good. I'm excited to have it tomorrow morning.
All right, let's move on to number Our second sample that we are going to be trying today is another one of our single origin brews. It is the Peru. We also have this in decaf, but we are going to be trying the caffeinated version today. The Peru single blend is organic. It's a medium roast, and its taste profile is salted caramel, silky smooth with a hint of citrus. So let's check it out. Number 2, Peru.
Go ahead, I'll let you sample. Good slurp. Good slurp.
Ooh.
What do you think? You like that?
I like that one.
So we left the grounds in the cup, is what it says, and then you're to push the crust down.
Ooh, fancy.
Definitely different.
Yeah.
Different than the Mexico. Less acidity.
Less acidity.
Yeah.
Definitely not as bitter.
Yeah,
Not
it's
that it
easy.
was super bitter.
Agreed.
But
Easier to sip, easier to drink.
yeah, more of a sweeter coffee.
Mhm.
I'm a 2 things of sugar and creamer kind of person, so I feel like this would be more my speed in the morning.
Yeah, and I'm more of a black coffee person, so this is definitely like for a medium roast. Pretty good.
Yeah,
Not
I like that
overpowering.
one.
I really do too.
I'm gonna give that one an 8.5 out of 10.
You like that one?
I do.
Yeah, I'm gonna go 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10.
That's tasty.
All right, let's get our water.
I'm truly impressed with the first 2.
Palate cleanser. Is that how it's supposed to go?
I don't know why I did that. Here you go, baby. Whoopsie.
Now that I've had my face cleansed and my palate, thank you, Matt.
Sorry.
We got
Our Bali.
Bali Blue.
Bali Blue. For our third tasting, what we're gonna have is a medium dark roast. It's organic. It's gonna have a tasting profile of dark chocolate, molasses, and brown sugar. Excited for this one. Not my favorite.
Not my favorite either.
I
That's
don't-
definitely more kick you in the ass, get you out of bed.
Absolutely.
Bitter.
Like a darker, stronger, bitter coffee. Yeah.
More acidic-y.
Yeah. Was this a medium roast again, or was it a
I think it was
medium to
medium
dark?
to dark.
I think you can
Yeah.
definitely see it in the color, right?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, the color is darker. Yeah, not my favorite. I'd give that a 5 out of 10.
Yeah, I feel like this one would need a little creamer and sweetener for me, just to
Yeah.
kind of.
But I feel like if you're into like the harsher blends, like a French roast,
Yeah.
then
Yep, that might be perfect for
you
you.
would enjoy this. It's just
Absolutely.
not my flavor. Bye, Bali Blue.
Wow, this is disappointing. I thought Bali was gonna be the one.
See, I thought Mexico would be my favorite, and then Peru has been so far. What would you give that out of 10?
Out of 10, I'm gonna go ahead and give that one a 6.
Okay.
That one to me, just with the darker, stronger taste and more acidity, wasn't my favorite.
All right, palate cleanser.
Palate cleanse.
Cheers.
Cheers. Just drink it, don't chew it. You gotta slurp it, I think, is what's gotta happen. Got that 6-bean blend.
Whew, it smells like coffee in here. All right, so for our last sample, we have one of our blends. All the 3 others before were all single origin coffees. So this is our 6-bean blend. This is a dark roast. This is great for espressos, and it is a combination of exactly what it says, 6 different kinds of coffee beans from around the world. So let's try
Cool.
it.
Let's go.
6-bean blend.
Stronger. And this is gonna be your darker, right? This is a dark.
Yeah, this would be more
For espresso based.
espresso.
Yeah, it'd be a great one for espresso.
So I imagine it's going to be much stronger.
Definitely.
Oh yeah.
Definitely. Yep.
Yeah. This is definitely darker. I would say similar to the one we just had, the Valley Blue, but it definitely has a lot sweeter of a finish, and it's not acidic.
I get
acidic-y.
I get like a sweeter molasses, right? And this one's just got a little bit more sweetness to it, but it's a darker roast. I'm gonna give this one a 7 out of 10.
Me too.
I like this one.
Yeah.
Yep.
7.
That was fun.
Palette cleanser.
I'd love to fill our Well, my sweater got that one. It's like when Mateo drank pop for the first time, he's opened his mouth and let it fall out.
I just spit up all over Matt instead of spitting it in his face like he did to me. Okay. That wraps up our bestseller sample testing. If you want to try any of those out, head over to stickmancoffee.net. You can also follow us on Instagram.
Yep.
Stickmancoffee with an underscore.
Drop us a comment. Let us know what you think of the coffee. Check it out. We love any feedback we can get.
So next week, over on the Stickman Coffee YouTube, we are going to be doing another taste testing of another sample pack, not plaque that you have on your teeth.
Cool. Looking forward to seeing you guys soon.
Yeah, we're gonna go get unfancy. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for tuning in. You guys frickin' rock. Until next time, I'm Danielle.
I'm Matt.
See you guys real soon.
Later.
Bye.
Cool. That was fun.
That was so
We did
fun.
our